Okay, let me give you the secrets. The stuff that makes this actually work well. First, clean up your source document. The AI reads structure. So if your document is a mess, your video will be a mess. Use clear headings, use bullet points, make it easy for the AI to understand. Second, match the style to your content. Anime works great for fun topics, educational content, marketing stuff. But if you're doing a legal document or a super serious corporate report, maybe anime isn't the move. You can still use Notebook LM, but pick a different style. Third, edit the output. I can't stress this enough. The AI does 90% of the work, but you need to do that last 10%. Add your branding, adjust the pacing, make it yours. Fourth, think about your audience. If you're making content for kids or young adults, anime style is perfect. If you're targeting executives, maybe tone it down. Know who you're talking to. Fifth, use this for content repurposing. You've got a blog post, turn it into a document, run it through Notebook LM. Now you've got video content, that's one piece of content. Becoming two, that's efficiency. Sixth, if you're selling this as a service, package it right. Don't just deliver the raw video from Notebook LM. Deliver a polished version with branding, deliver social media clips, deliver different aspect ratios for different platforms. That's how you charge premium prices. Now, let me tell you the warnings, the things that can go wrong. The rollout might still be gradual. Not everyone has access to all the styles yet. If you don't see anime as an option, wait a few days and check again. The style might not always be perfect. Sometimes the AI generates visuals that don't quite match. That's why you need to review everything before you publish. If your document is too complex or too long, the video might miss key points. So test it, see what works. Adjust your source document if needed. And finally, don't rely on this 100%. It's a tool, a powerful tool, but you still need to understand video content. You still need to understand your audience. You still need to add your own value. Let me talk money for a second, because this is where it gets real. Most businesses have documents, training manuals, product guides, marketing materials, and nobody reads them. They're boring, they're text heavy, they sit on a shelf or in a folder somewhere. You come in with this solution, you turn those documents into anime style videos. Now they're engaging. Now people actually watch them. Now they serve their purpose. And once you've done a few of these, you get fast, really fast. Think about the markets you could serve. Educational institutions, they have tons of lecture notes and study materials, corporate training departments. They have employee onboarding documents and training manuals, marketing agencies. They have client reports and case studies. Every one of those is a potential customer. Every one of those has documents that could be videos. This is exactly what I teach in the AI Profit Boardroom, how to find these opportunities, how to package them, how to sell them, how to scale them. Let me give you some advanced plays, stuff most people won't think of. First, batch processing. Don't do one video at a time. Line up 10 documents, process them all. That's how you scale. Second, white labeling. You can offer this service to other agencies. They sell it to their clients. You do the work, they take a cut, you take a cut, everyone wins. Third, upsells. Someone buys one video, you offer them a package, you offer them ongoing services, you offer them additional editing, you offer them distribution services, stack the revenue. Fourth, platform-specific optimization. Take that one video, create a YouTube version, a LinkedIn version, an Instagram version, a TikTok version, same content, different formats, more value, higher price. Fifth, industry specialization. Pick one industry, get really good at their document types, their terminology, their style preferences, become the go-to person for anime style videos in that industry. That's how you charge premium prices. All right, let me tell you where to go from here, because watching this video is one thing, actually implementing it is another. If you want to make more money with AI, you need to join the free AI Money Lab with Julian Goldie. Inside, you'll get 50 plus free AI tools and 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents. You'll get 1,000 plus free N8N workflows. You'll get 200 plus ChatGPT prompts. You'll get a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads free with AI. What you'll also get is a free AI community, a free AI course, and proven AI case studies, everything you need to actually make money with this stuff. Links in the description. Is completely free. No reason not to join. Look, here's the bottom line. This anime style update in Notebook LM is massive, but only if you actually use it, only if you see the opportunity. Most people will watch this video. They'll think it's cool, and they'll do nothing. Don't be most people. Go try this today. Upload a document. Generate an anime video, see what it looks like. Then think about how you could use this for your content, for your business, for your clients. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment below what document you're going to turn into an anime video. I want to know what you're working on. Julian Goldie reads every comment. So tell us what you think. Tell us what you want to see next.